This AI tool claims it can create videos and make you passive income automatically. So I tested VidForce AI to see if it actually works, or if it's just another overhyped tool. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what VidForce AI does, how it works, and most importantly, whether it can actually help you make money online. But there's one thing I discovered during testing that most people won't tell you, and it changes everything. All right, let's start simple. VidForce AI is basically a tool that claims to generate AI-powered videos automatically. You don't need editing skills, camera, or even experience. It's designed for beginners who want to create YouTube videos, run faceless channels, promote affiliate products, and potentially earn passive income. Sounds great, right? But tools like this always sound good on paper. The real question is, does it actually deliver? Let me walk you through how this works step by step. Step 1. You enter a keyword or topic. For example, make money online or AI tools. Step 2. The AI generates a script, and surprisingly, it's not bad. Step 3. It creates visuals plus voiceover, basically turns that script into a full video. Step 4. You can export and upload it to YouTube, TikTok, or anywhere else. Now here's where things got interesting. The tool promises automation, but I wanted to see how much of it is actually usable without editing. So I decided to test this like a complete beginner. No editing, no tweaks, just raw output. I picked a niche, AI tools for beginners, generated a video, and uploaded it. At first, it looked decent. The voiceover was clear, the visuals matched the script, and the video felt watchable. But then, I noticed something most people won't talk about. The videos are good, but not unique enough. And that's a problem. Because if you're trying to grow on YouTube, you need differentiation. But here's where it gets better. When I slightly edited the script, changed the hook, and added my own angle, the video quality improved dramatically. And that's the key insight. This tool works best when you don't rely on it 100%. Now let's talk results. Did I make money instantly? No. Did the video get views? Yes, but slowly. Here's the honest breakdown. Fast content creation. Beginner-friendly, saves time, generic output if not edited, needs strategy to actually earn. So if you expect instant passive income, you'll be disappointed. But if you use it as a tool, not a shortcut, it can actually help. Pros: easy to use. Perfect for beginners. Saves hours of work. No technical skills needed. Good starting point for content. Cons: not fully done for you. Requires editing for best results. High competition niches equals harder growth. Won't guarantee income. This is perfect for beginners who don't know how to create videos, people starting faceless YouTube channels, affiliate marketers who need content fast. But it's not ideal for people expecting instant money, people who don't want to put any effort, advanced creators looking for high-quality production. This is a tool, not a magic button. So, is VidForce AI worth it? Here's my honest answer: yes. If you use it correctly. No. If you expect it to do everything for you, it's a great starting tool. But your strategy is what actually makes money. If you want to try VidForce AI, I've put the link in the description. But before you jump in, make sure you actually understand how to use it the right way. Otherwise, you'll just end up creating content that doesn't convert.